Good morning. Welcome to the Bearded Bama Bushcrafter. Hope everyone's doing well. I am out here checking on my rabbits real quick. Got some babies. Man, I hope they're doing well. This doe right here, she had her first litter back in earlier part of November. However, I lost all 6 of them. I think I had too much stuff in the box and they fell out, or they got pulled out when they were feeding. This doe right here, she has, I think, 2 or 3 babies. So I've been kind of just leaving her alone, but checking. So far, so good. I hope they do well. Man, it is a beautiful day. It has turned off cold. It's been raining, warmed up. And let me see if I can share with y'all this beautiful bluebird sky. I have got to collect some fatlighter. I have burned all my fatlighter up. That's a first for me. I usually keep me a good supply, but I kind of got lazy and I haven't gotten my surplus up, so I think I know where Stump is. Some of you guys who's been following along with me since the beginning probably recognize this area that I'm in. I am down in the woods below my place, and I remembered there is a piece of fatlighter right here. This old stump. I'm gonna have to bring me a sledgehammer down in here, or my maul, something heavy, and I believe I'll be able to loosen that and collect that piece. And it looks like there may be a piece sticking up right here. I'm kind of crunched on time this morning, but I just kind of wanted to get my eyes on. I'm trying not to get wet here. Well, you may see me fall in the creek. Y'all stand by. A lot of times, this is old Heartwood, which is fatlighter, and it's all up and down this creek. At one time, here in the south, the longleaf pine was the dominant pine, and over the years it was logged out. Man, that's an odd smell. Almost smells like a buck, a rutting buck. It could be. But over the past century or so, logging took its toll. But I will say this, there are more trees now in the United States than there were in the 18th and the earlier part of the 19th century. And that's due to proper conservation in our forestry. So, saying that, the longleaf pine here in the state of Alabama, and I think throughout the southeast, they have been a restoration program, and they're doing real well. I actually have some longleaf pines growing on my place. Now check this out. Debris huts. Y'all remember the video I did back earlier in the year? Here's that old debris hut. And it's dry in there. These things hold up. And that is a simple make. All out of debris. Has a few holes, patches. But this is something, if I had to get in that tonight, last night it got down in the 30s. And it was a big frost out here this morning. That would keep me alive. I believe this is fatlighter. I'm gonna leave it up here and let it dry out. And I'll bust it up and make sure. Alright guys, well I hope everyone is doing well. It has been, I guess, a week or two since I've posted a video. Didn't mean to go on that long without saying hello. Life can get busy, you know, it does. And sometimes, you know, we just get in these funks. I know I do. And if you guys struggle with those things, let me tell you, you're not alone. Life is a funny thing. You have your ups and you have your downs, and sometimes it seems like those valleys and those low areas seem to last a little bit longer than those mountaintop experiences. But I wonder, if we stayed on the mountain all the time, would we be worth anything? You know, I think it's these daily struggles. Sometimes it's moment by moment, these struggles. I believe that's what builds our character and shapes us. But I do enjoy those peaceful times up on the mountain. I would actually enjoy that. Could use that mountaintop experience. It's been a while since I've had that. But anyway, I have a plan to make a video this weekend, and I'm hoping that things are going to work together so I can make that video. But some things have to happen before I can make this particular video I'm wanting to share. So I'm hoping, and I hope the Lord is willing, and if everything comes together, I'll have the video that I've been wanting to share with you guys. If not, maybe something else will come up. Well, guys, I've got to run do some chores, but I wanted to say hello and share that beautiful. Let's do it one more time. Man, look at this beautiful bluebird sky. Man, look how beautiful that is. Man, it is a beautiful day. I hope everyone's doing well. I appreciate everyone following along, and I thank you for your support. And guys, y'all just take care, and I'll see you later.